we guide you through how to send money with Western Union. So first, go to Western Union website or open Western Union app, then click Send Money and choose your country and the amount you want to send. Next, select how your receiver will get the money, either cash, pick up, bank transfer, or mobile wallet depending on their location. After that, enter your receiver full name exactly as shown on their ID to avoid delays. Fill in their details, review everything carefully, then choose your payment method such as bank card, bank transfer, or cash payment if available in your area. Once payment is confirmed, you will receive a money transfer control number or MTCN, which you must send to your receiver so they can claim the money. And finally, remind your receiver to bring a valid ID when picking up the cash or checking their account for the transfer. Always double check details before sending to avoid errors or delays.